Hi there, Jarrod Carman from Carman Real Estate, and welcome to 42 Waterview Drive in beautiful Mount Martha. This is set in one of the most lovely pockets of Mount Martha. You've got bushland surrounding you and amazing other properties. This is a big, gorgeous home, and you need to go and have a look at it. If you're looking for the perfect family home with everything, you've just walked into it. Here it is. So at the front here, you've got this great lounge space that can be fully enclosed with the blinds pulled down, and it makes an awesome theatre room. It's a great sitting room as well. Off to this side, you have the home office. Study right near the front door. You can see who's coming for your appointments if you work from home. It's a really good space and really well laid out. And down the hallway, firstly, there's an abundance of storage. You've got storage all over the place in this home. This way, you have internal entry to the triple garage, its own powder room, and also a good laundry. Then we come into the huge kitchen. You've got this amazing open plan area. So you've got a dining room, informal sitting room, and a great kitchen with Caesar stone bench tops, great appliances, massive oven, heaps of light spilling through. It's great through here. Your splashback is glass, and the butler's pantry. As part of the ground floor area, you have this amazing bedroom. It is huge, and you could be mistaken for thinking it's the main bedroom. It's actually not. It's a guest bedroom on the ground floor with a huge walk-in robe and a fabulous ensuite bathroom. Cool thing about this room as well, you've got entrance straight out to the back garden. How good is this? Upstairs you have this massive living room. You've got a great living room that exits out onto this huge deck that you have that looks over the backyard, but it also looks out to the bay view. Now this is the main bedroom, and it is monstrous, absolutely huge. You could fit a whole family in here. This is a great room. You've got a bit of a look out to the bay as well and over the bushland. You have a massive dressing room, great space just there, and then also the ensuite bathroom that is, of course, large. It's amazing. Part of the upstairs setup, you have a fantastic area where you've got two really large bedrooms and a bathroom with two vanities and heaps of space for all the family. They can party in the bathroom. Also upstairs, you have a second balcony, so you can sit at the front, relax and watch the world go by and get a glimpse of the bay. If entertaining is your thing, then this is the home. Look down here, you've got another entertaining area with a built-in kitchen set up there. You've got the fridge and all that stuff for your beers and your wine. Two levels of entertaining right there. And this backyard is just amazing. It's set on 1,408 square meters, so you've got room for everything. You have side access, so you can bring more cars, boats, trailers, whatever you want in. And behind me here, you can see this amazing pool. Balinese-inspired feeling out in the backyard. You've got a great Bali hut. You can chill, entertain friends, you've got the kids. And then you also have this outdoor person shed. That's Entertainment City back there. It overlooks the pool, and when you're standing up on the deck, you get a fantastic view. So you can entertain your friends in your own little bar, or have it at a gym or a home office or whatever you want it to be. It's a ripper. This whole home is a fantastic family home and a family that likes to entertain. So, if you'd like to book an inspection, give myself and my team a call anytime. I'd be quick though, because this is an amazing property.